So I want to share a Google strategy for small, particularly local businesses that too many business owners are missing. And it's a great opportunity to kind of expand your reach and kind of the depth of your reach into Google and Google search results. Uh, More than just trying to have a good website. A lot of people will say, "Hey, I need to improve my website because uh, I need to get better on search." And while that's true, one of the things you need to understand about Google is Google's trying to be kind of a zero point for resource for all of the information. So if they can give people what they need and what they want without sending them somewhere else, then they'll lean towards that. So this is where your Google business profile comes into play. And many small businesses have these and do okay with basic setup and stuff too. Making sure your company name, maybe even your logo, address, phone number, hours, things like that are added to your Google business profile. But the piece that I want to talk about today that people seem to be missing quite often is adding content and updating this profile on a regular basis. So updating the profile doesn't mean you're changing your hours and doing tweaks like that, but there's opportunities to push content to your Google business profile that can impact how Google views your business, right? So the more active you are with pushing that content, Google's going to like that and say, this is a good active business. They want to promote it more and stuff. But it also gives opportunities for you to add more keyword related type content to your Google business profile to make it more robust and help Google understand when they should be presenting your business to people who are searching for you in your area. And there's a couple of ways you can do this. Yeah, but right now, the big thing I want to talk about, I'm going to scroll down here a little bit too so you see this, is these posts, right? These posts right here, these updates are things that you can push out just like a social media post to Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter or anything else that show up on your profile. And if you're not doing it, or if it's been a little while since you've done it, I think Google actually stopped showing this section in search results if you haven't posted there in over a week or so. It just won't appear. It won't appear on your profile. But as you look at this, you look at my profile and people see reviews, see business information, see my little about stuff, and then the content is there, right? So it's that opportunity to engage, and people can kind of scroll through and look at the different content that you have out there. But as I build mine out, right, I'm obviously sharing about products we have, services we offer, resources that we give to people and stuff. And there's the click more for them to bump over to your website. Now, this is really important because it feeds kind of those algorithms, right? So it helps improve the potential customer experience when they're researching your business and trying to figure out what you're about. That's an additional resource there that helps kind of build that reputation, but also feeds those algorithms and stuff as well too. Now, there's a couple of ways you could do this. One is you could go to your Google business profile once, twice a week, or whatever pace you want to try to do. I'd suggest at least once a week so that it keeps that post section up there, those updates up there. So at least once a week, you come to your Google business profile and add your updates directly. As you see, just the add update button will pop up and give you the opportunity to share it. Another way is in our Business Center app. It's a free app, and actually in the social marketing tool within the Business Center app, you can do this for free. You have a calendar where you can schedule out and post up content to Facebook and to your Google business profile for free. All right, so this is free to use. If you sign up for the business app, you'll be able to do this. But it basically show you what this looks like. I'm going to come in and I want to look just at the Google business profile, and you make your update. Fun update. Add your media. There's even free images in here. That you can use to add to your post. or you can upload your files if you want. And then there's this section where you can add a call to action. And this is where you can say, hey, learn more, and then drop a link to where you want it to go to. So I'll have that little learn more button on there. But a few different types of call to actions that you can have. So if it's a sign up or something you would buy or order, whatever, you can have that and feature that right on your Google Business profile right there. And then you can use this tool to schedule out your post or publish it immediately. I like to schedule it out so that you can kind of batch your work and say, hey, I want to spend the next 15, 20 minutes and stuff. I'm going to schedule out a weekly post in my Google Business profile for the next month or month and a half, right? And you can kind of get that out ahead of time so that you don't have to be thinking about going back to that Google Business profile on a regular basis every week to do that. So this is a free tool to use in our Business Center app. You can find that on our website, or just hit us up and I'll direct you to it. And another opportunity we have as well too is similar to this. Our team can actually do that posting for you. And we do that posting in such a way too that we make sure that everything in your Google Business profile is updated and optimized well for your business. And then we can schedule out those posts and stuff on a regular basis. If you were to go that pace of wanting to have at least one post every week, a plan for something like that runs about $180 a month. But then again, remember, it's, while that's an investment, that's an investment in really trying to drive more growth and strength to your Google listing stuff. So that's a piece, like I said, that a lot of small businesses tend to forget and miss, but really great low-hanging fruit opportunity to feed the Google and give it the things that it wants that'll actually end up driving more business into your store. And if you have any questions or need help with anything, just let us know. Thanks.